Hey y'all, I'm Brandon with the Baratza support team, and today I'm going to be walking you through installing the silicone gasket on your conical grinder. Today we're going to be using the Encore, but this also applies to the Virtuoso, Virtuoso Plus, Preciso, Maestro, and Maestro Plus grinders as well. The silicone gasket is going to be this little black piece that will be found inside your grounds bin upon opening up your new grinder. The gasket isn't a picky piece. Its main purpose is just to keep the coffee from getting into the grinder, so I wouldn't worry about it fitting too perfectly into place. On occasion, the gasket can have different markings and patterns on them, but that won't affect the way that the gasket works. They're just unique. Before installing the gasket, we need to make sure that the adjustment ring is aligned properly by twisting it all the way counterclockwise so that the red tab on the adjustment ring lines up with the red tab on the burr holder. These two notches need to be at the 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock positions. When placing the burr holder into the grinder, make sure that the red tab on the burr holder matches up the red line on the adjustment ring. The gasket only comes in one size, but on occasion it can feel a little bit smaller. So feel free to stretch the gasket a little bit, but don't stretch it too much because it can rip. These two notches are going to fit the corresponding bumps on the burr holder. And if some reason it's feeling a little too tight, a quick dip in some hot water can greatly help it expand enough to fit on the burr holder. Once the gasket's installed on the burr holder, we're going to take the hopper and place it over the gasket, lining up the silver tab on the hopper with the black arrow next to setting 40 on the grinder. From there, we're going to press downwards, rotate clockwise, and voila, you're good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@baratza.com. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding.